Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, we're doing a review of Brightspeed Fiber Internet. If you're considering upgrading your connection, this guide will help you understand its features, performance, and value. Let's get started. First, installation and setup. Brightspeed Fiber Internet is generally straightforward to install, with professional technicians or easy self-install kits available in most areas. Next, speed and performance. Users report fast and consistent speeds, ideal for streaming, gaming, and remote work. Plans vary, so you can choose the speed that fits your needs. Then, reliability. Brightspeed Fiber provides stable connections with minimal downtime, making it dependable for everyday internet use. Now, customer service. Support is accessible via phone and online chat, though response times can vary depending on demand. Finally, pricing and value. Brightspeed Fiber is competitively priced for the speed and reliability it offers, making it a good choice for households and small businesses alike. That's it. Overall, Brightspeed Fiber Internet is fast, reliable, and worth considering if you want a strong fiber connection. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy, step-by-step reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching.